So I put that in the window. We're gonna have a little adventure here. I'm at the end of Sandy Hook Road. It says it's closed. And I'm hiking in. And I wanna know if I have to get over to the C&O towpath to get through. We're gonna find out. It doesn't say no pedestrians. And it also doesn't say no parking over there. Even though it is a school bus turnaround. I parked out of the way. So here we go for our little walking adventure on the end of Sandy Hook Road, which is closed, to get over to Harper's Ferry to see a friend. It looks like they're working on stuff. Or this road has been so closed so long, but look at that, it's fresh cut. Are they cleaning up? I don't know. We'll walk through and see. Falling Rock. We'll be back. We're still hiking along. There's the truck we passed. We're going for a hike. It's a beautiful fall day. All right, see you in a minute. Here we got up to this part. A little bit further. It is fresh cut. But it does look like, I don't know, no one's traveled on this road in a moment. I hear things. Maybe I happen to come on the day they're closing the road to clear things. I don't know. Maybe that's why that truck was there. It was unloading equipment. Aha! Unloading equipment. So I decided to come on the day they're cleaning up. If I could hop the tracks over to the towpath, that would work. But I don't know if that's advisable. Which way should I go? Hop the tracks, towpath, go straight, deal with this shit. Where is the towpath and can I get to it easily? I'm pretty sure it's down there. We'll go up here so we have a better view. Okay. Now I smell. It is the day they're cleaning. Now I smell fresh. Look how fresh it is. Look at these little guys. What's this? Interesting. I'm gonna have to take a... Oh, look at all the fuzzy butts. Oh, they're fuzzy. Look at the fuzzies. They're cute. Okay, now we're going uphill. So you can see river's down there. It's beautiful. You can hear buzzing. I don't know what happened there. I hear buzzing. It's actually a beautiful walk. I can see the towpath down there. Well, always got to do everything the hard way. You know, just for kicks. Let's run up here so we can see it. Let's jump on it. You ready? We're gonna jump on it. Ready, set, go. Oh, we made it! Yay! There's the backhoe. Let's try a seat pod. Ready? Set, go. Oh, we bounced off and died. One more seat pod. Oh, yeah, we definitely bounced. guy noticed me yet. We got a lot of things going on here. I need to hide. How are you? Is it all right if I just get by you? Thank you so much. Bye, train. All right, here we go. All right. Very nice of him. I'm glad I didn't get stopped for security reasons. Okay, I can just see the church steeple in Harper's Ferry. We're getting closer, but I might need to phone my friend to tell her, you know, that uh-oh, he's coming this way. What's going on, dude? Why are you coming this way? Oh, he's just killing it again. Okay. All right. Where could I be? I hope my friend knows I'm not on the C&O towpath. This is such an adventure. So I have a question for you. Do I, what is my phone saying? I can't see it. Stop videotaping and call my friend? Or do I keep the video going? Because I could never glue two videos together. That's just too much work. Look, we're getting there. Road narrows. I see the train on the other side. Oh, look at that. Oh, we can see the train up there coming out the other side of the tunnel. Okay. All right. I'm gonna be quick. I hear little critters back there. I hear more noises. I don't know what all that fog or smoke is over the river. There's the train! Okay, here I come. There's the towpath. And soon we'll see the free parking I would have gotten to instead of the I might get towed parking. Ooh, look, there's steps. I'm not going that way though. And I'm not wearing tennis shoes. Always an adventure. Never the same day twice. So now I gotta figure out how to get over there because I'm not on the path. And this hill looks really steep. Looks like it's actually probably a stone wall, and there's the canal. So I'm gonna have to go this way and see if I can figure this shit out. Okay. All right. I might have to call my friend. All right. I'll let you know. Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to get down there, and then I'll call her. Oh, there's the trucks on the other side. There's the train. There's the tunnel. Isn't this cool? Isn't this a cool adventure? Because I happen to come on the day they're cutting things. Okay. So I have to get over there. The train's above us. See its shadow? So I need to figure out where my friend is. There's the end of the train and a red light, so that means it's time to call my friend and see where we can meet each other on this beautiful day.